Hello students, today we are going to start the plus 2 biology chapter, microbes in human welfare. Microbes, except the microscopic plant and animals, some other teeny organism which also play the maintain the biological system on earth. Except then the microscopic plants and animals there are small organisms इनको क्या बोलते हैं microbes also play very important role in biological system on the earth. These are so teeny organisms which we cannot see with the naked eye. Those are called microorganisms. These are so teeny that we can't see these organisms with the naked eye. Naked eyes. To see these organisms, there is need a device called microscope. They are found all over the places on land. They are found all over the places on land, such as in air, water, soil, in our body, as well as glaciers, ice caps के नीचे, and the temperature at the hot temperature या high temperature कितना 80 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius in hot water spring, in hot water spring and geysers are present. These tiny organisms or microorganisms are categorized into different categories. These microbes are bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and the smallest viruses, viroid, and prions, which we have discussed, which we have studied about in this type of microorganism in +1 class. Viruses harmful, viroids, these are smallest than the viruses, viruses are smallest than bacteria, viroids are smallest than viruses, and light prions, these are the microorganisms which affect the protein. तो ये क्या करते हैं? Proteinaceous affecting agent. These are proteinaceous affecting organisms, which we will discuss about these all types of microorganisms. Out of these microorganisms, we will discuss about bacteria. The bacteria are harmful and useful for human being. ह्यूमन बीइंग के लिए बैक्टीरिया हार्मफुल भी है और यूजफुल भी है. Viruses are all viruses are harmful. Viruses are also harmful. Prions are also harmful. But bacteria, those bacteria plays very important role in human being for in beneficial effect as well as in harmful effect. Harmful effect, it may cause many types of disease, which we will discuss later. First, we will discuss the usefulness effect of bacteria. Useful effect of bacteria. Bacteria are used in many household items. Bacteria are used in making many household items. उन्हीं में से एक है कर्ड. Curd is produced from the milk by the special bacteria called lactobacillus. Those are commonly called lactic acid जिसको बोलते हैं lactic acid bacteria. Curd is produced by the special bacteria lactobacillus, which is commonly called LAB, lactic acid bacteria. Lactic acid bacteria. These bacteria digest the milk protein, इसको क्या बोलते हैं, casein, and convert in lactic acid. लैक्टिक एसिड प्रोड्यूस होने के कारण से मिल्क के अंदर कोगुलेशन हो जाता है और कोगुलेशन के कारण से मिल्क चेंज होता है कर्ड के. ड्यू टू फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कोगुलेशन द मिल्क is converted into curd. Curd is more nutritive than the milk. देखिए बेटा, मिल्क से ही कर्ड बनता है लेकिन कर्ड मिल्क से ज़्यादा न्यूट्रिटिव है बिकॉज इट कंटेन्स फॉलिक एसिड, विटामिन B12 कंटेन होता है जो कि ह्यूमन बीइंग के लिए आयरन को प्रोवाइड कराने वाला है. कर्ड इज मोर न्यूट्रिटिव than the milk because it produce B12, विटामिन B12, फॉलिक एसिड जिसको बोलते हैं, उसको प्रोड्यूस करने में मदद करता है. सो कर्ड इज मोर न्यूट्रिटिव देन द मिल्क. एंड द सेकेंड हाउस होल्ड आइटम इज चीज. द फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, चीज, पनीर बोलते हैं. इट इज ए ओल्ड ट्रेडिशनल मेथड in which cheese produced from milk. Cheese is also produced by the milk, but due to its structure, texture बोल सकते हैं, flavor and taste, there are three types of cheese. But due to the texture, flavors and taste, there are three types of cheese. First one is Swiss cheese, second Roquefort cheese, and third one is Camembert cheese. Swiss cheese. Swiss cheese. It is produced from the milk by the action of या mixing of a bacterium. चीज बनाने के लिए मिल्क के अंदर स्पेशल प्रकार का बैक्टीरिया जिसको बोलते हैं प्रोपियोनिस हार्मेनी, दैट इज एडिड which convert the fat and casein of the milk into cheese. Bacterium Propioni bacterium Charmini this converts the fat and casein of milk in cheese. इस चीज के एक मेन टेक्सचर के कारण से है, इसके अंदर बड़े बड़े होल होते हैं. दिस टाइप ऑफ चीज contain large hole in which CO2 gas produce, और CO2 गैस के कारण से ये जो होता है सॉफ्ट होता है, सॉफ्ट चीज के रूप में, क्योंकि CO2 गैस फुला देती है. तो इसके कारण से स्विस चीज इज प्रोड्यूस बाय द मिल्क बाय द बैक्टीरिया प्रोपियोनी बैक्टीरियम चार्मेनी that converts the milk, fat and protein into cheese. And the second one is Roquefort cheese. इसी का सेकंड पार्ट है Roquefort. Roquefort cheese. This is ripened by adding the fungi. इसको मिल्क के अंदर ये फंजाई एडिंग की जाती है. कौन सी? रॉकफोर्टी. कौन सी? इसको बोलते हैं जो विशेष प्रकार की बैक्टीरिया जो फंजाई है, फंजाई को एडिट किया जाता है, जिसमें पेनिसिलियम रॉकफोर्टी की तरह पेनिसिलियम रॉकफोर्टी. एंड थर्ड वन इज Camembert cheese. This is also produced by the adding of Penicillium camemberti fungi into the milk. This is ripened by the adding of the fungi Penicillium camemberti. So these are three types of cheese which are produced by the milk. Clear?